Introduction: creating visually appealing web pages is essential in web design. One feature that enhances a web page's aesthetic value is the gradient background. This article focuses on CSS gradients, particularly gradient backgrounds. Understanding CSS gradients allow smooth transitions between two or more specified colors. Previously, gradients had to be created manually, which was time-consuming and less flexible. CSS gradients are more flexible and efficient, as they don't require generating and downloading an image. Types of CSS gradients. There are two types of CSS gradients, linear and radial. Linear gradients change along a straight line. Radial gradients change in a circular manner. Creating a gradient background with CSS is straightforward. Example provided of a linear gradient background from white to blue. Tips and tricks: use fallbacks for older browsers that do not support gradients. To create a gradient with multiple color stops, simply add more color values separated by commas. Common errors and how to avoid them. Incorrect syntax. Ensure to use the correct syntax for the gradient type. Fallbacks. Always provide a fallback for older browsers. Color stops. When using more than two colors, ensure the color stops are in the correct order. Conclusion: CSS gradients provide an efficient way to create smooth, visually appealing transitions between colors. With a correct understanding of their syntax and potential pitfalls, stunning gradient backgrounds can be created to enhance the visual appeal of web pages.